Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find out a Telegram user's phone number step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app and go to the chat with the person whose number you want to see. Once you're inside the chat, tap on their name at the top of the screen. This will take you to their profile page. Now scroll down a little. If their phone number is public, you will see it displayed under the Mobile section, right below their username. However, if you don't see their number, it means they have set their privacy settings to hide it. In that case, there is no way to view their number unless they change those settings or share it with you directly. And that's it. Now you know how to check if a Telegram user's phone number is visible.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.